All right, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the new Jabra Elite 3 true wireless earbuds, and these are one of the first budget pair of true wireless earbuds that we've seen from Jabra. They're not coming with some of the more advanced features like ANC, in-ear detection, or wireless charging, but as far as the basics like sound quality and call quality, these are knocking it out of the park. So at 80 bucks, I think these are going to be a very solid option for some time to come. As far as colors, you got a few different options. You have purple, you've got beige, you have navy, as well as a dark gray. So let's go ahead and jump into these, starting off with the charging case. So the charging case is pretty much the same as the Elite 75T as well as the Elite 85T. So no real surprises there. It's a nice pocketable size. You have a matte finish as well as a single LED indicator in the middle. Over on the back, you've got your USB Type-C charging port, and overall the build quality feels solid. One thing I really like about the case is that you're getting some nice strong magnets, which makes putting the earbuds back into the case relatively easy, and it just gives you that peace of mind that the earbuds are in the case nice and secure. Moving on to the earbuds, this is where Jabra did decide to switch things up. You can see they have more of a triangular shape compared to previous models, and basically what they're saying is, based on all of their research over the years, this design is going to provide the most optimal fit. So we'll talk more about the fit later in the video. And then in typical Jabra fashion, you have physical button controls versus touch sensitive controls. So the Jabra Elite 3 are running Bluetooth 5.2, and as far as their audio codecs, they're using aptX as well as SBC. You're also getting independent use, which means you can use either the left or the right earbud while the other remains inside of the charging case. And this is definitely a pleasant surprise because this is something that other Jabra earbuds in the past were missing. As far as battery life, you're looking at roughly 7 hours from the earbuds themselves on a single charge, and with the charging case that extends to a total of 28 hours. These also support fast charge, so just 10 minutes inside of the case will give you about an hour of listening time. In terms of water resistance, these have an IPX55 dust and water resistant rating, which means they're plenty fine for the outdoors as well as the gym, but it's not a pair that you want to completely submerge in water. So let's go ahead and talk more about the fit. So if you have smaller ears like myself, these are going to be great for casual listening. So if you're sitting, walking, traveling, anything like that, these are going to be perfectly fine. But I wouldn't really recommend them for the gym. I do think you'll find yourself needing to readjust them from time to time. Now, if you have medium to larger size ears where the earbuds can fit a little bit deeper in your ear, you're going to get a much tighter seal. And in that case, I think these will be fine for any sorts of activities, including the gym. As far as the button controls, you are getting access to everything. So you're getting all of your playback controls, your play and pause, your track forward, your track backward, and your volume controls. And then you have the option to either activate your voice assistant or launch Spotify. It would have been nice if you had the option to launch whatever streaming service you prefer, but right now it's limited to Spotify. Now let's go ahead and jump into the sound quality. So these are using 6mm drivers, and they're giving you that very dynamic Jabra sound that we've come to expect, especially when paired up with the Jabra app, which gives you access to a few different EQ presets. You're getting plenty of treble and clarity, as well as plenty of bass, and I really love the bass on these earbuds. It's very punchy, it's tight, it's accurate, not sloppy by any means. So these are definitely giving you that desirable V-shaped sound. But if you prefer, you can scale it back some with some of the other EQ presets within the Jabra app. And then as far as volume, these are delivering plenty. So overall, sound is definitely one of the strong suits when it comes to these earbuds. Now, as far as the pass-through or the ambient mode, it's probably my least favorite feature about these. I think it could definitely be stronger, and it's not quite on the level of some of the other options on the market. Now, it is helpful in terms of allowing you to hear more of your surroundings, but again, there's definitely better options out there. Now let's go ahead and talk more about the Jabra Companion app. So with the Jabra Elite 3, you're not getting full access to the app like we've seen with other Jabra Elite models. So pretty much within the app, you have the option to activate your pass-through or your ambient mode, and then you have the option to choose your EQ preset. Two of my favorites are the bass boost and the energize preset, so I definitely recommend trying those out. But with the EQ, you are limited to this list of presets. You don't have the fully adjustable multi-band EQ like we've seen on the other Jabra models. And then aside from that, another helpful feature within the app is the Find My Earbuds feature. So this is basically going to help you locate your earbuds if you ever misplace them. Now let's go ahead and talk about the call quality. So along with the sound quality, I think the call quality is where you're getting the majority of your value with these earbuds. They're using a total of 4 microphones, which do an amazing job at picking up your voice. And then you also have the option to activate the side tone feature, which basically allows you to hear how you sound to the person that you're on the phone with. All right, so this is a microphone test of the Jabra Elite 3 True Wireless Earbuds. Like I said, it does have the side tone feature, which is going to allow you to hear kind of your ambient noise and give you an idea as to how you sound to the person that you're on the phone with. I think it sounds really good. You're getting a lot of treble and clarity. But you guys do me a favor, let me know how it sounds down in the comment section below. So overall, for 80 bucks, I think these are an excellent choice. And I think they'll be an excellent choice for quite a while. It's been a pleasant surprise to see Jabra offer a more budget option while still delivering the same impressive sound and call quality that we're used to seeing. So that's going to be it for this video. Do me a favor, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. And you can follow me on social media at CEO in the Making to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. Aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.